To be brutally honest, here are some examples that illustrate why making money is easier for some people and harder for others. First, inherited wealth. For example, people born into affluent families, like the Walton family, owners of Walmart, or the Mars family, owners of Mars Incorporated, have a significant head start in terms of financial resources. They can use these resources to invest in businesses, real estate, or other ventures that generate income with less risk and effort. Second, access to networks. A person born into a well-connected family or who attends an elite school, like someone who graduates from Harvard or Stanford, has access to influential people and networks. These connections can lead to better job opportunities, partnerships, and investment deals that might not be accessible to someone from a less privileged background. Third, luck and timing. Sometimes, being in the right place at the right time can make all the difference. For instance, early employees of successful tech companies like Facebook, Google, or Amazon have made substantial amounts of money from stock options as these companies grew. These opportunities often depend on a combination of timing, luck, and being in the right network. Fourth, systemic inequalities. Racism, sexism, and other forms of discrimination can create barriers for people trying to make money. For example, women and people of color might face wage gaps, limited access to financing, or a lack of representation in certain industries, making it more difficult for them to generate wealth. Fifth, cultural capital. Some individuals may grow up in an environment that values entrepreneurship and financial literacy, giving them an advantage in building wealth. For example, children of successful business owners might learn the ins and outs of running a business from a young age and be more prepared to pursue similar paths. Sixth, geography, where someone's lives can play a significant role in their ability to make money. For instance, individuals living in cities with thriving economies and ample job opportunities, such as San Francisco or New York City, might have an easier time finding high-paying jobs compared to someone living in a rural area with limited prospects. 7. Education. People with access to high-quality education are often better equipped to navigate the job market, start businesses, and manage investments. For instance, a person with a degree in finance from a top university may have a much easier time finding high-paying jobs or starting their own successful business compared to someone without a strong educational background. In summary, making money can be easier for some people due to factors like inherited wealth, access to resources and networks, education, cultural capital, geography, and systemic inequalities. The interplay of these factors can create significant disparities in financial opportunities and outcomes.